Hello and welcome to Home-Style and Botanicals. I'm Carly here. Today in this video, I'm just showing how I like to incorporate removing and correcting scuff marks that may have happened throughout the course of the year due to moving furniture, or just overall small wear and tear that may have happened to the walls and the doors. I like to go around and find these little scuff marks and use touch-up paint to correct them. Or if I can use maybe say the magic eraser, I'll use magic eraser, but for the purpose of this video, I'm actually just going to use touch-up paint. And we have one here and one there. And we have this one here. This one actually happened with a chair. We were doing work around the house and the chair scuffed the wall, so that tends to happen. Here we are new homeowners. This is a new build, but with some of the moving, as you can see, we got a couple scuff marks. I created a short video where I showed me correcting some scuffs around the house already. I just wanted to show that sometimes when it comes down to spring cleaning, a part of cleaning up is just going around correcting these little scuff prints if you have them. That one's pretty big. This is the perfect kind of day to get this kind of work done. Little scuff marks and scruffy marks from the chair rubbing up against the wall. This is the desk chair, and I just need to touch these up. Nothing too fancy, just real quick touch-ups. To avoid this from happening again in the future, I'm just going to throw this blanket over the back of the chair, and yeah, hopefully this won't happen again. If you're anything like me, then you definitely like to utilize spring cleanup time as a time to refresh and reset. I like to do painting projects around the house, which is what I'm explaining here. I love to paint, although I don't know if painting really loves me, but I try. But here again, you see me just doing little touch-ups. And again, that's what I like to do to stay on top of things, keep things looking fresh, clean, pristine. And yeah, it works for me, and I hope this is something that works for you. This is my favorite spot in the house here. I call it my sitting nook area. You wouldn't believe it, but the natural oils in my hair have gotten on the wall, because I tend to fall asleep here and lean back. But the remedy is going to be to, after I touch up paint, I will pull this chair out. Let's touch this up real quick. I can't believe I did this. The walls are about 80% dry at this point. Not too bad. They're looking pretty good. Success. Yay! If you like home projects like these and videos like this, please subscribe and yeah, give me a thumbs up. This is Carla of Home-Style and Botanicals. Thanks for watching. Just a little touch-up paint project, DIY, do it yourself. Make your spring cleanup simple and easy with a little touch-up paint. Happy painting!